there, it's me, Haspa with WTI, and I have curly hair, so I struggle a lot finding good products that my hair will love. This is the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream with Shea Butter from Cantu, and this is one of my favorite brands because it has such good products that leave my hair looking nice. And this one's so moisturizing, and it helps me control my hair frizz. It is not only for curly hair but also for wavy hair. A lot of friends of mine use it and they don't have the same curl pattern I have, and it works just great. It smells so good. Every time I use this product, people give comments about it and they compliment how good I smell, and I say all I have is some curling cream. It leaves my curls super soft and bouncy, and that's something I appreciate about curling creams. And it is also really thick, so I just mix it with a little water and it goes a long way. It is definitely one of my favorite products. It keeps my curls looking nice, hydrated. So if you want to use it too and try it for yourself, this is a good option from Cantu, and that's my point of view.